Okay, so let's take a little look at this morning move here, and I'll show you what I'm trying to do with the euro, because we're getting some really nice buy signals on the euro. I've just started to build a bit of a position here, about just over 30 quid a point in a spread betting account. I'll show you what I'm looking at. All morning we sold off in the euro, okay, against the US dollar. Big sell-off, well, not big sell-off, just a steady reds all the way down, making lower highs, just reds on the pro trend system tracks, lower highs. And then we got this sort of bottom and this wide-ranging candlestick here and turned green on PTS. And then the selling started to slow down. And then we popped up here on this nice green buy signal. So I added to some long trades here. Now, we pushed up here, and I wanted to be long today. I did not want to be doing short trades. And it's easy to say why, because if you look at the daily here on the euro dollar, it's turning green from a white candlestick. So all the stuff we do here at Trading College, all color based. If it's white, we do this. If it's green, we do this. If it's red, we do this. White into green is a powerful buy signal. Okay, green down below here on our wave trading system as well. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a bit of a move. Now, once we turn on our potential targets here, this is something our students absolutely love. Puts the stop, entry, profit target. Okay, now as a day trader, I'm using that daily chart to give me the momentum, telling me where it's going to go. Because if you can get the daily chart right, it's always better to trade on the right side of the daily time frame, because the moves intraday then are much bigger, especially if you're trading FX and commodities, okay, and of course indices. But this could be a really shock move for traders with the dollar weakening. We're seeing the dollar selling off quite hard here, in fact. So now we really just need to get through this area. If we can get the euro, nice green buy signal here. It's gone up 35 points. It's a decent size move for the euro dollar. But if we can pull back here and hold, okay, nice momentum, colors up, everything up, green. If we can just hold in here and then break out above this area, guys, we need to break out. If we can break above this area here, okay, then that's going to break the daily resistance area. We're already green on the daily time frame, but if we can just break that little high just in here at 104.43, it could be really 104, 10500, which is a psychological area. We break there, I think we go hard higher. All right, so this next move back here, this next pullback is going to be very, very interesting. Because remember what I said to you before, breakouts, okay, when it comes from a long way, a breakout is not a great trade to take. The pullback before the breakout is the one to take. Okay, the little pullback here, just before the breakout, and if it consolidates and doesn't sell off into a red pro trend system and tracks, then this is going to build up energy and break through. All right, so big move off the lows, green pro trend system into a breakout zone just to here. Looks like it's going to break out. Let's move that a little bit for you there. Okay, that's the high of the day. Okay, so far in euro dollar, 104.40. Retest it, shallow pullback and holds. Trend predictor buy here coming in now, which is good. Then we hold here. We could hold here for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe 15. And then it's building up energy, and then bosh, away we go. We break out above the highs, and then we're in line with the daily green. All right, so green colors is what we want to be trading here if that breaks out and stays green on the daily pro trend system. So the morning move really was a little bit short side on the wrong side. We were meant to be looking for longs. I was only looking for long trades. And today we've got a lovely explosive mood back up on the afternoon session in the US, which is brilliant here. All right, so building position here. If I can get this up to £100 a point on the swing trade, that would be really good, because I think the euro dollar, if it breaks this area, could go on a really lovely swing trade, guys. All right, okay, keep you updated. That was the morning move really in the euro dollar. It came into the morning move really in the US session. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll update you on this Euro trade as it progresses, if we can break out. And make sure you give us the thumbs up and give us a like. Okay, guys? Speak to you soon. Take care now.